Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel, Dayenpcdln Vlogs. So for today's vlog, I will share or teach you how to clean bangus. So that's one of my favorite fish here in the Philippines, which is available and actually anywhere here in the Philippines. So without further ado, let's start this video. What I'm planning to do here, guys, some doesn't want to or don't remove the scales. They're gonna grill it, but I like to remove it to make sure that it's all cleaned up. Some people doesn't eat the skin, the milkfish skin when grilling. I mean, I don't eat the skin either. But I still like to remove this just in case I change my mind and I wanna stew it. I also love to cook paksiw. Paksiw is a Filipino dish cooked with vinegar, onion, garlic, and ginger. Also green chilies, the long one. You can also add bell pepper if you want. If you don't have vinegar, you can also use other types of citrus, sour fruit like kamyas. I'll try to check or Google what's the translation in English of kamyas, but that is also available here in the Philippines. In Visayas, they put but one. You can cook this milkfish, sinigang, paksiw. Sinigang is a sour soup as well. You can use sinigang mix, you know, the one that is in sachet or pouches. You can also use tamarind or the plum, the sour plum, or maybe the mango, unripe mango. There's a lot of dishes that you can cook with bangus. So there's not much of scales here anymore. I have already scaled this one. Beginning, the start of this video, I actually changed the water. The color changed. The color of the water changed because I changed the water. Oops. I'll be preparing one for grilling, grilled fish. The other one for paksiw, because my mom loves paksiw. And me too. Who doesn't love paksiw, right? I like to remove or lessen the tails here. It's not necessary to have a long tail. It's gonna take some space in the pan. So since I've already scaled it, same drill with other fish that you have to remove the intestine. It's just that with bangus, with milkfish, you can eat everything, including the intestine, the liver, except for the gallbladder, which is bitter. So we're gonna remove that. I still see some scales. That's okay because I will still wash this. Oops. See how thick the part here because I don't want to pop the... Oh, okay, I found it here. It's here. The gallbladder is big. Once this pop, it's gonna spread all around the internal organs, and everything's gonna be beaten. Cannot be eaten anymore. Okay, success. See that? Did not pop. And just chew it off. Remove that part. This is all good. I'll just... Okay. I'll chop this. I'll chop everything first. Actually, what others do, they would cut everything, slice everything all up. This is also okay. So we're gonna do that. Slice it. You don't have to cut it yet. Just for checking the proportion. And here too. So guys, when I cook or when I clean the house or beauty here, and once we cook this, we can arrange this in the pot. So let's put that one away. I think this fish is not as fresh. So here, this is the blood that I like, that I always remove whenever I clean the milk fish. You want to be busy eating and removing the fish bone, not the blood. So that, I mean, that's my thinking. Okay, there's still more. There's still more here. Okay, let me check. Okay, there's nothing. That's okay. Alright, there's still more. I apologize if this might look gross to you. Take good care of this guy. Put this one in here. This is gonna be. This looks like a paksiw, boneless paksiw. Just like that. So for me, it looks pretty. If it doesn't have tail. The grilled fish. Next thing that I will do is the grilled fish. Instead of cutting here, the belly, I will slice and cut it on the back so that the fish, milkfish belly will not break. But I will still remove the gallbladder. And this is all okay. So this is the fish that we're going to grill. Okay, we're still gonna cut it because I don't see the gills. Maybe we could do it this way. There's still a tray. Okay, I'm struggling here. I know. This. Okay, I will wash this. It doesn't look pretty, but you know. So I'll just prepare the spices, garlic. I'm not sure. I don't think we have onions, but it's good when you put a lot of onions, garlic, and ginger. So those are my charcoals, avocado wood, and bamboo. But that's okay because it's just homemade grilled fish. Binababad ko muna sila sa tubig para pag pinalatan, madali lang. Pero dahil kabibili lang natin, that's okay. Okay lang yan. Dinamihan ko po kasi nasanuhan natin. So, babalatan na natin ito guys. Mabilis lang to. Tayo ng kamyas. Meron pa mangilan-ngilan na bunga. Ayan. we have lemongrass. Add more flavor to our paksiw. So guys, we're gonna add lemongrass for more flavoring. So what I will do here, I already washed this. What I will do here, I'll just smack it a little bit. Like that. As long as it's clean. You can wash this again. I already washed this. And then put it in the bottom to make so I just need to rearrange everything else here. It'll cook nicely later. This is not a fresh milk fish, because usually if you get a fresh milk fish from the market, it will not break like this. It's easy to manage. I will add eggplant as a vegetable. And then what I will use as the sour, to make it sour, is the kamyas. This is the kamyas. So this is very sour. Sukang Ilocos. Nagpapabaga na kami. So nagpapabaga pa kami. Prepare pa lang yung isda. Asin lang at saka lemongrass. Okay na yun. Pwede namin isawag sa gulay. I-partner dun sa sinabawan namin ng mga maliliit na clams. Hello po. Kain po kami. May paksiw. Anak, yan. Inihaw. Yung nilinis ko po kanina. Kain muna po kami. Tapos nag-ihaw po kami ng talong.
Ay, ba't niya dati?
Hello.
Aday, matin di upo.